Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best PC exhaust fans on the market, the Noctua NF-P12 redux-1700 PWM. If you're looking to optimize airflow and keep your system running cool, this fan might just be your perfect match. Let's start with what makes this fan stand out. It's a 120mm high-performance cooling fan designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a 4-pin PWM connection, it operates at a maximum speed of 1700 RPM while maintaining a remarkably quiet 25.1 dB noise level. The NF-P12 redux-1700 PWM boasts a pressure-optimized blade design, perfect for air-based CPU coolers, water cooling radiators, or enhancing chassis ventilation. It's engineered for durability with a lifespan exceeding 150,000 hours MTTF, a testament to its quality and reliability. Designed with a focus on performance and quiet operation, it supports automatic speed control via your motherboard, ensuring efficient cooling when needed and silent operation during lighter loads. From reducing temperatures under heavy loads to ensuring a whisper-quiet experience during idle times, this fan excels in providing a balanced cooling solution for your rig. Noctua is renowned for its premium cooling solutions, backed by numerous awards and recommendations from the hardware community. The NF-P12 redux-1700 PWM continues this tradition with its streamlined Redux edition, offering Noctua's signature quality at an attractive price point. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-performance PC exhaust fan that delivers on both cooling power and quiet operation, look no further than the Noctua NF-P12 redux-1700 PWM. It's a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike who demand the best from their cooling solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay cool and stay tuned.